Welcome to Art with Mooni. If you are a complete beginner, don't worry. I will teach you how to draw beautiful digital art using MediBang Paint, a completely free app. I will guide you step by step by starting from basic tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to draw beautiful heart shape. You open this app, you will see several options. Don't worry about them for now. We will learn everything but one step at a time. First, we will set our canvas. Click on New Canvas. Here you will see different options. Um, if you click on Edit, here px means pixels, and if you click here cm means centimeters. Pixels are used for when we are creating art for web or mobile, and cm for printing. Here you can change your width and height as well. For now I'm just keeping it at 2000 by 2000. Okay, and here you can see the DPI options. It's mean dot per inches. You can keep it at 300 or 600. The quality of our art depend on it, so make sure to keep it as high as possible, 300 or 600. And then we'll just click on OK and click on create. Here you can see why this white area is our canvas. If you take two fingers and pinch it in, you can make it smaller, and if you pinch it out, you can make it bigger. It all depends on our need. Okay, so today we will discuss about correction tool and briefly about brush tool. So first, if you click on this icon, it's our layer panel. So don't worry about it for now. We'll discuss it in detail later, but for now just click on, if we click on plus icon, we'll see different options here. If you click on add an image, select an image to add. You can add any image from your gallery. So I'll add it. So here you can see, if angle option, you can select your image, set your image at any angle, or you can make it big or small. It all depends on your need. Okay, so for me, I'm keeping it at 200, so it will be easy to draw it, and 0 degree angle. Set. No, I'll, by clicking on this option, I'll keep it at down, and by clicking at this option, I will draw on this layer. We always draw on white layer, but first I will decrease the opacity of this picture, so it will be easier for me to draw. By clicking on edit here, I will keep it at 47%. You can keep it at whatever rate you want, percentage you want. It all depends on your need. For me, I think 47 is best, and click on set. Here you can see opacity is at 47. I will click on layer 1. Make sure you are on correct layer. Okay, layer 1. From here you can see this one is our brush, and this is gallery of our brush. So my brush, I select my brush and then open my gallery. Here different options are. you can see different options here to select any brush you want, but for now I have select G pen smooth. And here's, if you want to save your brushes, you can just click on plus icon, and this brush will appear on your set area here. So for now I'll click on G pen smooth and I'll start. Oh, I completely forgot about it. Correction tool. Here you can see it's our correction tool. We can set it from 0 to 20. It usually work as stabilizer. It help us to draw clean line art. So I'll keep it at 20 always. So if you click on gallery, you can choose any color you want from here by moving this icon. I'm using black color for my full black color, okay, and my correction is at 20. Here, if you can see, you can choose the size and opacity of your brush. I'm keeping it at 12 or a little bit. Yes, I'm keeping it at 27 and with full opacity. We will start tracing our heart. Make sure to draw smooth lines, okay. Now we'll start tracing it. Use your finger, move it slowly. You don't have to move your finger hard, just slowly, and you don't have to be exactly like this. If you want, you can have a little different as well. Here you can see I'll use eraser and I'll make it a little better from here. Take as much time as you want, but make it beautiful. So okay, once we're done with our outline, we'll click on our layers panel. If you like my video today, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment below any suggestions or requests you have. Thank you.